Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Grand Dama espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just did a tune-up and oh boy this machine needed a tune-up. Especially for the spouts. This is one of the worst spouts I have ever worked on. And just to give you an idea of how it looked like, this is that was the condition of the spouts. Inside where the coffee goes, those little two holes, it was completely clogged. All that you see that is just coffee build up and it's just mold. And this is the same little pieces that, wait, where is it? These are the same little pieces that were inside of that spout. So we cleaned everything in there, put a bunch of coffee cleaning all around the whole spout, disassembled the entire door. These ones are, we disassembled the entire thing, deep clean everything inside, remove all as much as possible as we could. Deep clean it, soak it in coffee cleaner as well. Let it sit there, brush it multiple times, wipe it as much as we could, blow a lot of air through it, and just we tried to do our best over there to clean as much as possible we could. Once we did that, we also deep clean everything inside here, the machine. We replaced the O-ring from the generator. We deep clean that shower screen of the generator itself, the one that you see. Probably you don't see it, but it's located right there. We deep clean everything inside, replace the brew unit. This is the old brew unit of the machine. And we also descaled this machine, run a bunch of water, deep clean it out through deep clean the hopper as well as the, so I'm gonna put the other tape over here. There you go, perfect. We also deep clean around here. There was a lot of coffee buildup, lots of dust, lots of oil in there. So yeah, it definitely needed a tune-up, this machine. So thank goodness we did that. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. We're gonna then do a little bit of water and then call on the test. But yeah, this machine really needed a tune-up. We also lubricated the transmission, and like I say, descaled this machine and made sure everything was nice and moving smoothly. As you can see, we're getting a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent color as well, really good crema forming at the top as well. We could potentially increase the, you could get better crema, but our coffee is very old, so this is as much as we're gonna get. But it still is a good amount of crema. You can see it here on the cup. Good color. Looking great, excellent quantity as well for short coffee. Working excellent, high water. Like all Grand Damas, they shot a bunch of steam at it first, but then it gets to a nice steady stream that you see right here. It's a nice temperature, working great. Good temperature, good flow. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Grand Dama working once again and completely clean up and free of mold and all coffee. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.